How to delete a group created on Snapchat. Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to delete a group you have created on Snapchat. So if you have made a group by mistake or do not need it anymore, just follow up these simple steps and we'll delete it in less than a minute. So open up Snapchat and we can directly go to the chat screen by swiping left on your screen, and you should be able to access your chat screen directly. Now, if you want to go ahead and open up the group chat, you can just go over and access a group chat. For that, you can just go over and find it up. For example, this group right here. Now, from this chat page right here, we can find the group that we have created, and we can tap on the group in order to open up the group page, and similarly tap on the group name at the very top in order to open up the group page like this right here. So if you want to go ahead and delete the group, what we can do is we can look out for the three dot option at the top right. And once we have selected this option, a menu pops up. We'll be finding two options, which is leave the group. It deletes the group for us. And if you'd like to go ahead and, you know, delete a group, Snapchat does not have a direct delete group button. So what we can do is look out for this leave group option and ask other members to leave the group as well. You may just go ahead and tap on this option called leave group and then confirm this pop-up right here. And once it is confirmed, it will the group will now disappear from your chat list. And once you leave, the group automatically becomes inactive if everyone leaves. The group is completely removed. And Snapchat groups does not exist permanently without the members, so you do not need to worry about that. And Snapchat also automatically deletes the inactive groups after some times, so no worries if you can't delete it manually. But this is how we delete a group chat on Snapchat very easily. So if this video helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.